Want to learn 3 must-know classroom words fast? Let's jump right in. Our first word is desk. A desk is a table where you do your schoolwork.
I keep my books and notebook on my desk.
It's where we write, study, and keep our school supplies. Next, we have book. A book is something you read to learn or for fun.
I'm reading a new book for English class.
Books are full of information, stories, and ideas. The last word is chair. A chair is what you sit on during class.
I sit in my chair during the lesson.
Chairs help us stay comfortable while learning. Now, let's take a quick look at how to use these words with prepositions. We often use on and in when talking about desks, books, and chairs. We say, I put my book on the desk. We use on because the book is placed on top of the desk. I put my book in my bag. We use in because the book goes inside the bag. When do we use in or on for chairs? Let me explain. We typically use in when the chair has a back or provides some kind of support, like a classroom chair, armchair, or office chair. For example, I sit in my office chair. On the other hand, we use on when the chair is more open, like a stool, bench, or flat surface. If the chair has no back or support, on is more appropriate. For example, I sit on the stool. That's it for today's lesson. You've learned 3 simple classroom words: desk, book, and chair. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more beginner English videos. See you in the next lesson.